Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to log out of Instagram PC completely. To log out from your Instagram PC app, you'll first have to log into your profile. Then we will click on the gear icon and then click on the logout option. We see that even if we log out, the option to continue as without asking for a password remains. To fix this, we'll do the following. The first thing will be to go to the Instagram page from our browser and do the same process of logging out as well. If after this we continue to see the quick login, it is possible that we have linked our Facebook account. Therefore, we are going to go to both the Facebook PC app and the browser, and we are going to close the session that we have logged in. To do this, click on your user's icon and select Logout. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If we go back to the Instagram PC app, we will see that the quick login no longer appears. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.